don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 1. I'm joined by Mr. Choshi.
Yon Naturena. They're out of top 8. They're out of top 8, Steve. I think we have been telling you, Steve, that the top 8 are Steve. Teams that don't take football serious, Steve. They belong there in number 9. But let me discipline people who are laughing at Kaizer Chiefs. I think this team has improved, Steve, because it really from number 10 to number 9, Steve. It's a big achievement, Steve. And there's no team. Listen, Steve. There's no team. No agarade, Steve. There's no team that is consistent, Steve, in the league. Sundowns is not consistent. They were sometimes removed go number 1. Chiefs has been consistent outside top 8 the whole season. They never entered or felt anything at top 8. They have been out there, Steve. They've been consistent on number 9, Steve. So when things like this are happening, Steve, you need to congratulate people, Steve. I'm not a jealous person. I need to congratulate them. But congratulations, Chiefs. They have improved. They have improved, Steve. Too much, Steve. Let's come back to serious things, Steve. Let me start by Steve, and really congratulate you for coming today to watch Mamelodi Sundowns playing against Pyramids today. Because, Steve, this is the last game that you're going to watch without a visa, Steve. The next time, if you need to watch Mamelodi Sundowns, you need to have a visa. You need to have a passport. Kamelo book go Miami, you need to book out there, Steve. You need to go to Pyramids, Egypt, Steve. South Africans, if you didn't come today and watch Mamelodi Sundowns, Steve, you're no longer going to get a chance. You need to have a visa and a passport in order for you to watch Mamelodi Sundowns. Levels. I was with Bobo, man. I don't like anything. Bobo, man, leadership, no, man. Sometimes they're accommodating. I was with Bobo, man, Steve. Leadership, like a Miami, man. Like a Toronto, Steve. Like a New York, Los Angeles, man. Nalamagia, like a Malibu, Steve. Like a Hartfield, Steve. Mosowe to Steve. Bobo, man, go accommodate, man. This is not fair, Steve. Coffee or juice. But anyways, Steve, I think I need to make this statement to State SA, Steve. I think when they release the next statistics of South Africa, Steve, they need to review their statistics of say Mamelodi Sundowns fans are 57. Or I don't know, is the Nini Kambus or people who didn't do mathematics who ran out mathematics grade 1, Steve, or grade R, the likes of our PhD who didn't really calculate how many fans are here, Steve. I think State SA need to really make calculations, Steve, because of today they were not 57, Steve. They came in numbers, Steve, to support their team today. I didn't see any ANC shirt. I didn't see anything, Steve, that is yellow today. I just only saw a Sundowns shirt that has a Puma thing on it. Some of them, they were wearing 15. Some of them, you saw, they already had 2 stars, Steve. So I think we need to let's not shy away from that, Steve. They came in numbers, Steve. All of the fans, they came in numbers and they supported their team, Steve. I mean, like, you saw there was not even a help. Okay, now we are here to help them, but we are here to support them so we can be counted as Sundowns fans today, Steve. The Chiefs was playing, Pirates was playing. All of their supporters were there. There was no one from any other team who was here. That is not always here. All the fans, okay, remember we are normal people who are always here every day when they say they are 57. But today, no Chiefs, no nothing. Their teams were playing, they were supporting their teams, all of them. They were here, Sundowns, Mascata Stadium, without any help of any other person. By 57, never sold out, Steve. So let's congratulate when this kind of things happen, Steve. Getting into the game, Steve, sometimes our coaches, they really lose it, Steve. Coach Miguel Cardoso had a nice run-up, Steve, since from the start when he joined Mamelodi Sundowns, though there were mistakes there and there. But today I think he made some blunder mistakes, Steve. I think this is not the starting lineup that we expected, or maybe the changes that we expected from a coach who has experience of playing in the CAF final. Remember, this coach is his consecutive final. 2 times in a row. Last season he was in the final. This season he's in the final, Steve. So I thought that he's a coach who's going to have experience and play players with experience. Ngiyabona abo sales is quality, Steve. Abo Matthews is quality. Abo Adams, you put them in is quality. Abo Neomayem, I told you Neomayem agintwana lo rishapile BSc, Steve. Bachelor in chemistry and everything, Steve. Apasa bologo lo tsadi mona Steve. But I don't think these players it was the right time to substitute them in, Steve. Remember, we're talking about the likes of Themba Zwane, Abu Pichasholi, players who had experience to play in a CAF final back in the days, players who have been fighting for too long, players who understand the losing of in CAF, Steve, players who are gonna cry when they lose, Steve. So you really need those kind of players in the pitch, Steve. Generational talent. You cannot put Themba Zwane on the Steve. It's so disgraceful, Steve. It's so sad for me as a fan that I saw Themba Zwane struggling to get to this point in the CAF final with Mamelodi Sundowns. He was injured, and I thought in his injury, Steve, he was wishing to get back very well before a final so he can play in the final, Steve. This is a player who has been with Sundowns through the ups and downs from 2016, Steve, the last CAF Champions League final that they won. From there, he has been trying each season and season out to be in a final, Steve. I mean, we are talking about a person that, Steve, I think for me now, it would be pure football robbery for him to retire not lifting a trophy of CAF Champions League, Steve. Yes, he was there with part of the squad that lifted it 2016, but in ways, Thombo Kekan was the captain to lift it. So I think it would be pure football robbery not to see him playing, Steve, not to see him lifting the thing. I think Caruso should really be arrested today just for 1 day, Steve, just to teach him, because of this is a crime, Steve, not playing Themba Zwane, putting him on the bench, Steve.
Definitely.
It's a football crime, Steve. I think he need to be arrested. Maybe 2 hours near Naga jail and everything, Steve. But all in all, he's a good coach, and I think he will see his mistakes. Remember, with Themba Zwane, here's how it goes. A certain coach came into the county and said he's a cow, he's a scam, he's a what. He didn't call him and everything, and said he's not young and everything. Remember the time of Themba Zwane and Jali, Steve. But then the man came and saw, oh, hey, I'm making a blunder, Steve. I need him. Right now he's preaching him. When they ask him who's the coach, the best player that you have ever coached, he says Themba Zwane. He's giving him the armband. So I think even Coach Caruso need to get a call from Hugo Bruce to tell him, bro, you're making a blunder here, Steve. You're making a blunder. Could have won this game, Caruso, but unfortunately mistakes are high, Steve. Some players are not putting other key players in the beach, Steve. But anyways, I don't have words to explain the quality of Ribeiro, Steve, and the quality of Khuliso Mudau, Steve. But allow me, because of now I listen to Scosma attitude, Scosma Puma. Allow me to use the Scosma Mapuma lines, Steve. When you talk about a player like Lucas Ribeiro, Steve, we talk about a player who's originally fantastic, pumically interesting, tactically interesting, Steve. Naturally gifted things, Steve. You can't do anything. Ukalamatin, Kawomatin, Nomungatin, Ongancheling Chivaviro. Lengwenya is talented, Steve. Every time when he gets the ball, Steve, if it's Oshapalo, Steve, you don't even self-imagine. He doesn't lose the ball easily, Steve. Going forward, Steve, Oshapala Apresto Coronsto to a local Agara pitch. But again, I don't have the way to also explain the quality of Khuliso Mudau, Steve. But allow me to also use Cosma Puma lines, Steve, when I say he's a minister of arrogance, Steve. Professional, Steve. Lengwenya is quality, Steve. I'll tell me, Khuliso Mudau, I always tell you, he's the best right back in the county. And now I don't care who says what, Steve. I don't care who says what, Steve. This guy has been consistent day in and day out, Steve. And one thing I love about him, and I always tell you about this thing, Steve, he doesn't rush to do things. Many other defenders, we saw them, they panic during the defense and everything. He just stay calm and run behind you. When you make a mistake, he takes the ball and go back, Steve. Even if you're going to score, he will always chase you and be calm, Steve. So equality Khuliso Mudau, Steve. I think Nami, Coach Rulani, Coach Rulani was right, Steve. I think I also can take a bullet for him, Steve. I also can take a bullet for Khuliso Mudau, Steve. But let's talk about Pyramids, Steve. They came and they showed us some few nonsensical football. I think Umbogazi really lied to us. I think the weakness of Umbogazi lied to the nation in terms of showing us or thinking that Fiston Miles is quality, Steve.
Yeah.
Kakeli Kumalo, a cousin ka Chivaviro, a brother ka Autila, ka Maguire, Steve. I told you people who kills talent and kills the ball whenever they get the ball, Steve. He's a cousin of Chivaviro, Tiam. I think Magaba Tiam Shangazi man out Tiam.
Yeah, Steve, I think even Chiefs can take him as a free agent, Steve. Bamunge, Steve. I got they are ministers of
This Maraba stars, they're stealing other people's phones and everything. Ash, But anyways, Steve, as we were saying, Fiston Mayele, man, he really deserved to play at Kaizer Chiefs. Honestly speaking, he really do deserve to play in Kaizer Chiefs, Steve. I think that's the only place where he fits in today. I think they lied to us. I think I was in a live yesterday. They were saying this guy is a threat. There was nothing threatening about him, Steve. There was nothing risky about him. There was nothing threatening, Steve. Nothing at all, Steve.
Man of the match in China?
No, my man of the match, Steve. I think it will be a quality play. I think Kholiso Moda would really deserve it. But me ngamni Tito Maswangani yazi. Mina Tito Maswangani ngamni atiyami. Like I'm a players. I'm a players amanye mfethu. I'm a players like quality, Steve. Bamniki ball very easy. Steve will give algenye boxing yakhe, Steve.
What a goal!
Alfage anything yakhe. So it's a wonderful goal. I think it qualifies to really be the goal of the season, Steve.
Yeah.
I think so. My man of the match for today, I think really Tito Maswangani deserve it. And I know people will be talking about Sekhukhune United. We lost, yes, 3-2.
Tito continues to improve.
We lost 3-2. We are served as Sekhukhune United. Quality. And I'm saying, Steve, people will talk about Sekhukhune today. No, we lost 3-2. I know. I saw it. We lost 3-2. But we are considered at position number 4. We are in the top 8, and we will. Next season, Steve, I'm guaranteeing you, Steve, Sekhukhune will win a trophy next season.
Victor Letlapa.
Vuyo Letlapa, generational talent, Steve. I don't think he will play for Sekhukhune next season. I don't think he's le quality out here. I don't think Vuyo Letlapa, I don't think he deserves to play for Sekhukhune next season. It would be wrong from the Malachis to keep him because Sekhukhune, Steve. No, man, no. I think it's between Orlando Pirates and a team that is in France, and you can see the quality of the two teams. And you think you won't go to Pirates when there's a team in France that is looking for him, Steve. So Steve will meet in America.
Why American?
Man, I love Sundowns. We'll meet in America.
Lord Pori.
Unkopela picture Pori.
Lord Pori ukupila sinabakona.
Ke mona batho ba ntapisa.
Namane nangkhomela ko Kingswell ijini.
Ene batima ba re scores maphuma mfethu. Le Grand Kekana. Marine West Grand Kekana, Steve. I think that guy, man, is quality, Steve. Intwana ka minister and le quality, Steve. Tango asivala.
Tango mafethu.